While I'm here in Kingfisher Bay Marina in Demopolis, Washington, we're on a hold until Sunday, and that's about 4 more days away. So myself and the other 3 looper boats that are here are doing repairs. We're fixing things up, doing taxes and things like that. And so I decided to revisit my issue with my autopilot because the autopilot still does not work. And these T's, this is where I think the issue is, because the hydraulic fluid is leaking out of those, and that needs to be repaired. And I would like to have a professional do that. So what I did was I went to a company here in town that actually builds hydraulic systems, and they suggested I talk to Matt at the marina mechanic shop here. So I did that, and he's going to come take a look at this tomorrow. So today I spent getting ready for him to come so that hopefully he can get in here and get this thing fixed so I have an autopilot. So that's it for this video. May all your seas be calm. Take care.